over time, our sofa has become weak and saggy, and we're starting to get backaches. When I turned this over, I found that the springs were quite loose. And rather than trying to replace them, I thought maybe I can repair them. None of them are broken, and all of them are anchored at each end into their clips. This one wire is broken, so I will put a new wire in between those two springs to keep it intact. But other than that, the springs seem fine. They're just stretched out over time. I decided to try something I hadn't seen, which was to try to shorten the springs up by pinching the loops a little bit. I've already done several and it seems to work. So here I go. I'm going to pinch a little bit carefully. I don't want to break it and I don't want to bend it too much. And I go through each one until I get to the bottom, and then I refasten it. All it takes is a little time and a little grip strength, and I'm hoping it works. This is not guaranteed. I realize the springs may break after I've done this, and if so, I'll order new ones and attach them. But this seems like a quick fix, and it may last a while. You're welcome to try it, but I don't guarantee it. The bottom one is a little tough, so I have to take a needle nose pliers and hopefully get in there enough to grip it and pinch it. And it doesn't work very well. I don't have a better tool for this at this time. So that's as good as I can get. Now you can see that the wire is shorter, the spring is shorter than it was, and then I have to get it caught back up in the top, and there it is. Now it's firm, and I'll start on the next one. Good luck.